If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Welcome to the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio studio. This is a location in our home where we produce the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio show, heard on multiple stations across the country, podcast replay, and in-studio video replay that you see on YouTube and Facebook. I'm going to give you a short tour. We'll start in right here. We've got some of our collectible radios, our Crosby radio, Zenith, Feltco radio. We also have some of our large canning jar collection, our 4-gallon, 2-gallon, 1-gallon, and a variety of other canning jars on the shelf. We'll go this way. On the wall here, you'll see past sponsors, and then on the boards here, what you see in the in-studio video sponsors the current year. Also, we've got some additional radios here. Our Strongberg Carlson radio, our RCA Victor radio, and here's another 2 1-gallons and a 4-gallon, and a collection of ball jars that we've gotten from family as well as throughout buying things. This is where you see me, and then Holly sits beside me through our radio program. If you call our hotline, that's what this is, 1-800-927-SHOW. A lot of things happen here during the course of an hour, and we enjoy bringing the content to you. You can see on the wall there, we've got some radio tube Art Deco stuff that I've created, and all the sponsors in poster form there, and some other knickknacks on the wall that kind of we decorate our studio with. So if you've never listened to or watched the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio show, I encourage you to do such. Hour-long garden content program with guests from across the country and information and entertainment for you. Thanks for taking a tour with us and looking at our in-home radio studio.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.